What's up? Back with the Sneaker Division once again. Jeremy Cash. I got my buddy Pat here.
My buddy Pat.
He went to buy some used shoes and he needs to clean them. So he decided to look around. He found some cleaning products.
Some cleaning products online.
Specific-
Two most recommended cleaning products I could find was the Jason Mark package and then the Reshoevn8r group.
Specifically for sneaker cleaning.
Yes, high-end leather stuff like that is what these guys are for.
You got the highest dollar pack from both of them, and we're
From Reshoevn8r and from the Jason Mark website.
We're gonna compare the two.
That's right. This is the Jason Mark box. So
Yeah.
This is the Jason Mark Pro Cleaning Foam. So you don't have to add any water. It's already a 50-50 mix of the water
And it comes out. It's already
it
a
comes
foam.
out a foam.
Yeah.
So this is great on your leathers and on stuff like that. And it allows you to help out on cleaning suede because you don't really want to get suede wet. Then we have Repel, which is the after you clean your shoe, this is what you're gonna spray on. You shouldn't really use this on patent leathers because patent leather is already a sealed leather.
Okay.
So they advise you not to use it on that, but this works on all other products. Suedes and nubuck, which is a type of suede almost, and
Many of the meshes.
a lot of the meshes, a lot of your cloth, cotton material, stuff like that. This works out. They recommend you to use it on your lighter materials, whites and light colors.
What does it do? I mean, Repel. I'm just assuming that like it's gonna make water not.
It's water repellent and also helps out with getting stains on your shoes and stuff like that. It
so like
creates
if
a
any like
protective
mud
layer.
or anything like that.
Yes. Microfiber towel.
Okay.
All right. Just a basic cleaning microfiber towel. Then it comes with, I've got one brush here. This is their soft bristle.
One.
Nice soft bristle brush that they have.
Okay. That is pretty soft.
The main reason why I picked up the Jason Mark set in general is because of this. This has a suede cleaning kit in it. As I was saying, you really aren't trying to get your suedes wet, and so this comes with a rubber eraser, and it's used to rub on your suede or nubuck or whatnot to help pull out any dirt that's trapped in underneath the leather material. And so that's the Jason Mark set. This ran $60. It's not bad.
Okay.
This is for basic cleaning of your shoes.
And they have other kits too.
They have a few other kits in there.
This is just like their
but
top
this is
dollar.
the top dollar basic starter pack that you can get from the Jason Mark website.
Roger.
The bigger package. All right. And
This is the one that I'm excited about, actually.
This is from Reshoevn8r.
I've seen a ton of ads for them, like, ever since we started buying shoes, honestly. So I'm sure that he has some type of algorithm going for people like us.
So this is the Reshoevn8r package. This is their top tier package. $100 up there on their website.
Okay.
All right. And I got this because this comes with a lot more than the other. As you'll see, this is a much more substantial
How much
box.
did you say it was?
$100.
So it's $40 more.
Start off with Reshoevn8r cleaning mat, already packed up in a box. So it comes with a mat that you can place on your table. It's a fiber
So it's like
cloth
a
max,
nice-
so you can soak up all
And on
that
this-
extra water and stuff.
On this side, it's got like a grip to it too,
Oh, nice.
so it won't slide around on you, I don't think. It's actually very nicely made. If you look at it, it's got the Reshoevn8r brand down here too. So, like in my opinion, if I was the owner of this brand, I would be extremely happy with this product.
Next we have a collapsible bowl from Reshoevn8r.
Wait, what?
Yep.
It's just for like to put the cleaner and stuff into, I'm assuming?
Yep, this is for you, just for their cleaner and you personally. So you can always have this set up.
It just pops right out, yep.
You can always have this guy set up.
Again, if you look, it's got the nice branding. It's perfectly branded.
And you can always have it just for using your Reshoevn8r product. And that way you're not mixing any extra type of chemicals in there or anything like that.
It's made out of silicone too.
Yes, it's a nice silicone bowl, probably easily machine washable if necessary.
Definitely. It's nice.
It's a great little product. All right,
back up.
next we got a 12 pack of sneaker wipes. So I'm not opening this because it's closed, but it's pretty much like tissue wipes, but it has the cleaner already on the wipe.
Yeah.
So these are for wipes on the go. Then I get a bottle of it's an
Actual
8-ounce
cleaning
bottle of their cleaning solution.
Okay.
All right.
pretty
Reshoevn-Ator.
self-explanatory.
It's got no dyes in it, so
Yeah.
it's supposed to be very environmentally friendly.
Says-
Same with the Jason Mark, very environmentally friendly.
It says it's supposed to be derived from 100% natural coconut and jojoba oils.
So this is a basic laundry detergent pod almost.
Yeah.
The only difference is this doesn't have any fragrance or dyes in it.
Okay.
That's the difference. This is mainly just detergent.
Gotcha.
And so you do want to look up at the website, all right? And for all this products, make sure you're checking on the website for the different materials that you're using it on and making sure that you go with what they recommend, all right? And actually both these websites do have people on call when you're on the website that will help you out with any problems you may come into or run into. So in the last box, we get the Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit. So I think this one is probably around 60, but I don't know because all they had was that. It went from having small products to this large box. And I even think Reshoevn-Ator has a monthly program as well. So we're gonna open up this big bad boy because there's all sorts in here.
Okay.
Bow,
Yep.
bow, bow. Oh wow, so this comes with even more.
First thing first. Like
Yeah,
I was
he wants to
saying,
show off.
This is what I've seen in the commercials where you put these inside each shoe, and then
This is the main reason I got this. The shoe horns.
yeah,
That's what those are. Those are shoe horns.
And
that's
then-
the main reason I got this.
that helps you to like put them into the bag and then actually put them in the washing machine and just wash them in the washing machine so that you're not even having to hand scrub everything if you don't want
Well, so this is to help just keep form. That's the basic
Yeah, yeah.
bit. Is this helps keeps forms, helps you keep your toe box nice and stiff.
Exactly.
All right, that's what these are mainly for. And then so like when you're cleaning, yes, that way you're not flexing on your leather, you're not pushing on your cleaning and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And then when you go to throw them in the wash, yeah, you would throw those in there so that way they stay nice and.
I was gonna say it looks like you get another shoe mat, but that one's maybe a little smaller than the other one.
This one's just I think this is just another microfiber towel.
Oh, okay.
That's
It
all I
should-
think
okay,
that is.
yeah,
Another microcloth.
Yeah, it's not the mat.
This is the shoe bag.
Oh,
You only get one.
okay.
All right.
Oh, wait. But you lock each
You
one.
can lock each shoe within.
So you put one
Alright.
shoe down, pull this.
So with
string,
what
and
I've
then-
read in, and yes,
Okay.
laundry detergent goes in this little pocket up front.
Gotcha. Okay.
So what I've read onto them is that if you go anything above a size 12, only do one shoe at a time
Okay.
in the bag. Only one bag per shoe. Put it that, or one shoe per bag. Put
Okay.
it that way. Anything under that, you can fit them in like you're fitting them into a box, and stuff anything up to a size 12 into this bag.
You got a soft, a medium, and a stiff.
And a stiff brush. So soft is more for your nice leathers.
Okay.
Okay. And then also you use it a little bit on some of your nubuck and stuff like that for her cleaning. Then you go into a medium bristle.
Now,
Right.
it says soft, but this is still like it's. I mean, I wouldn't use it on my
Wait.
skin.
Wait until you feel
But-
the other two. All right.
Yeah.
So you're onto the medium bristle and you'll feel the tension on it. It's a
Yeah.
little bit more than that. And this is for getting into your harder places, leathers and stuff like that, up into the corner areas and stuff like that is what
Yeah.
you're using this one for.
Okay.
And
And obviously you can tell the color difference: tan, white, and then this last one's black.
Yep, and then this is the stiff bristle, nice hard, almost
even
like a
say-
grill brush. Yep, they
Cool. It even says it too, like on top of
on
that.
each of the block.
We'll get a good close up, but it says soft, medium, and then that one
So on
says
each of the blocks, nice and hard. This one's hard.
stiff.
Yep, stiff bristle. So you feel it. But yeah, this is used for more for suede and stuff like that, is to actually help get deep into the suede leather.
So this would be more like if you're getting like a brush to clean your tile in your bathroom. That's kind of what this one feels like.
And then another small 4-ounce bottle of cleaner.
Okay.
So I got an 8 ounce and a 4 ounce. So I got 12 ounces of cleaner out of that. That's not bad for $100
So-
right there.
If you were doing just $60 versus $60, this is pretty much this last box that you just opened is like $60 version versus.
I would
their $60
believe,
version.
yeah.
But
I
they
would
just don't have like
believe.
a $100 version to sell.
No, yeah, that was the
The-
highest tier of Jason Mark, and this
Yeah.
is the highest tier of the Reshoevn-Ator.
Gotcha.
So
I mean, it was $100 more. I mean, sorry, not
$40
$100
more.
$40 more. But so it was $100 total. But I like this kit a lot more. Like, I just like the branding of it, the way that they have everything set out. I like it a lot. So that's my personal opinion. Maybe I'm a little biased too because I've seen the commercials.
And
a
remember,
lot,
these are
but-
just the starter kits. They have more product on their websites. You know, Jason Mark they have all these different types of brushes. It just doesn't come with their starter kit. And that's
Yeah.
what I picked up. It was the starter kit. So it was not like I'm trying to say that, you know, one's better than the other or anything like that.
Yeah.
The bit is just.
I mean, we'll
picked up
do
the two
we'll
in
definitely
my-
do a comparison in the future to like we'll try to get 2 shoes that are equally as dirty, and we'll clean one with the Reshoevn8r kit, and we'll clean the other one with the, what is it again?
Jason Mark.
Jason Mark. And we'll just see which one we think looks better afterwards. So we'll save that for a different day. So like, yeah, on presentation alone, I'm giving him like a 5 out of 5. But we'll see if like the cleaning solution actually works. I can't imagine that it doesn't.
Yeah.
So 'cause
They're
I haven't heard any.
also repped on all the different, websites and Instagram and Facebook and.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure
It's
they've teamed
pushed
up with like
everywhere.
Harrison Neville and
Yeah.
Seth Fowler and all those guys. Like everybody knows about
Jason
them,
Mark
so.
actually has an exclusive, I think, thing with Nike.
Okay.
Yeah, they have an exclusive thing. So if you become a Nike member, believe after you hit a certain tier, you end up getting a small starter kit from Jason Mark. So,
That's what's up.
yeah.
Well, remember, until next time, it's nice to be important. More important to be nice.
Y'all have a good evening.
Thanks for watching our video, guys. There's more over here if you like where that came from.
Remember, like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding.